Hello, baby. I'll be able to share Siena Emma. Coco, who's the ma AC Bibre na Sabe. Asia, yet mean can you because you see, cocoa is the heartbeat of Ghana. Since time immemorial, cocoa ekosrana Ghana ADE. And negalam say, Kwasia Samutino, cocoa, I Kwasia cyanide, and where cocoa to say a call winner, price now falling team. Nana said, dear, you who say, if we are 4 crap to need to meet your for 4 months, 5 months, near Jomokaye. Nana Fifi Buafo, Unim Nano, a former public relations officer, Ewo Cocoa Board. Wabeka say, Asemna Kasawo. Asemna Wohono is not about the value of cocoa beans are falling and ACBB, but there is an issue between the CEO, Randy Abbey, and the people who are working there.
One unfortunate thing that has happened at Cocoa Board, as I've been reliably informed, and I know they cannot deny, it's an unnecessary theft war happening at Cocoa House. It is needless, it is not supposed to happen, and I am shocked that that has happened. The president indeed appointed Dr. Randy Abbey, who used to sit where you are seated. Maybe you are also modeling to be chief executive of Cocoa Board.
I've heard you.
Yeah, Dr. Randy Abbey, who used to sit where you are, he appointed him chief executive of Cocoa Board. And as a responsibility of the chief executive, together with his board, they appoint move around directors. Indeed, he moved a lot of them. If you go to Cocoa House now, I'm sure if not for the fact that I know people at different levels, I will look like a stranger there because most of the directors we worked with are either somewhere in some corner, you cannot find them. But at least pushed some people up. The managing director of Cocoa Marketing Company was moved to an innocuous office. I doubt what he's doing at the moment. Hey, they say we shouldn't talk about the fact that they are not doing anything. The fact that they've been reassigned to something else, we should keep quiet about. But he promoted a deputy managing director to become the managing director of Cocoa Marketing Company. And I have no doubt about the competence of the gentleman. Dr. Abbey promoted to become the managing director. He is someone who has spent his entire life trading cocoa. He understands the industry very well. One fine morning, or one unfortunate morning I should rather say, there was a motorcade followed by Land Cruisers, drove to the compound of Cocoa Board, and a gentleman popped up and said, well, I have not a white letterhead, but I have a green letterhead from the President of the Republic appointing him as the Managing Director of Cocoa Marketing Company. So the one Randy Abbey promoted to the position of Managing Director must leave. And this gentleman took over as the Managing Director of Cocoa Board, and he's supposed to be our chief marketer. This chief marketer did not go just to market, but he went there to say that, I'm the new sheriff in town. Who is Randy Abbey? He has a green letter just like myself. Then the theft war started. Randy says A and he says B. Not ready to listen, not ready to engage, and not ready to collaborate. And the theft war has existed from the time this gentleman was appointed today. So just look, and why is this theft war relevant in the conversation? It is relevant because the Cocoa Marketing Company, which this wisdom gentleman heads, the guy who is fighting Randy, they are supposed to sell the cocoa, but they only sell the cocoa based on mandate given by a committee was chaired by Randy Abbey.
What was the name of the committee?
The committee is called the Sales Executive Committee. It is chaired by the chief executive of Cocoa Board.
Sales Executive
Committee.
Okay.
And the Cocoa Marketing Company, which this gentleman heads, they are responsible for providing the technical support for the decision making. And it's one, if not the most important committee at Cocoa House. Because if that committee gets it wrong, the entire cocoa industry is messed up. And that is what has happened. That committee, I am told, reliably, that even sometimes meetings are called and the managing director of the Cocoa Marketing Company says, I'm not in a good mood.
And that's wisdom.
He doesn't
attend.
He's sick. He doesn't show up. And even when he shows up, it's a different story altogether. Because he doesn't see eye to eye with Randy. And this is a critical part of the board. So instead of sitting down, jawing, bringing out the best of ideas in a collaborative manner for the industry, they sat down, engaged in needless theft war. Now the price has dropped to 4,000. Now it is even difficult for Cocoa Board to go back to this indication, and this is the reason why. You can That yesterday when I made a post, someone said that, well, Cocoa Board books were bad, and that is why Cocoa Board did not go for syndication. It is not accurate. Cocoa Board syndication is largely based on cocoa contracts. And that's how it works. You sign contract with the trade houses, and the contracts are lodged with the arrangers. And then anytime you deliver cocoa, then the money is paid to the lending banks. So they look at the contract you have, and that is the basis of signing any syndication agreement. Today, we have about 300,000 metric tons of cocoa that has not been sold. You have to sell that. The cocoa that is on the farms, you have to buy and sell that before you can also sign new contract, which you will use as a guarantee for any future syndication. And now you have stocks you can't even sell, because every cocoa you are going to sell now will be something around 4,000. And you know what? With spot, you may get in the 4,000, the market is quoting. But with futures contracts, it may be higher or lower. And if, in a situation when it is lower, you see how precarious the condition or the situation we find ourselves in. And that has been caused by the NDC government and by the management of Ghana Cocoa Board. And they decide to hang it on the predecessor. The lack of candor in their conversation, the lack of sincerity in the engagement by Cocoa Board is part of the reason why we are struggling today in addressing the problem. I remember I saw a TikTok video by the head of public affairs, the gentleman who took over from me at the department, saying that, oh, this was in December. The reason why farmers had not been paid was that there was someone who was supposed to sign a check, and the person had traveled. And since the person had traveled, it was the person's absence is what caused the delay. And I said to myself, what has changed at Cocoa Board? Because I know that no single human being's absence could cause that to happen. Because if you are not there, you hand over to somebody, and the person can sign. And it's not just one person who signs. I do not know if the system has changed. I know the chief executive does not sign checks. But the deputies and the directorate, the finance directorate handles that. And you, at every point in time, you have more than enough people who will be there to sign the check. And they said that was the reason why the farmers had not been paid. I'm sure the person, even if tomorrow Uncle Kwesi's favorite country, even if the person had gone to Kosmukaya, the person would have returned. So why have the farmers not been paid? Day in, day out, they keep telling us, oh, well, we are sending money to the farmers, we are sending money to the farmers. Where is that money coming from? How are they raising the money? What is happening to the contract? And the lack of candor I talked about. Dr. Abiy said the Ghana cocoa has become expensive, and that is the reason why buyers are not buying it. And that is another untruth, unfortunately. Because if you say Ghana's cocoa has become expensive, since when? Ghana's cocoa is always considered premium cocoa. And it did not happen in 2026. It has been the case over the years. The reason why one may say at this time that Ghana's cocoa is expensive, it is only because now the price you fixed and the price available on the market is lower. The price you fixed and the price on the market, what is on the market is lower than the price you fixed. So if you decide to sell now, you will lose out. It doesn't in any way mean that it's because Ghana's cocoa is expensive and others are selling cheaply. They should be honest with us and let all of us help in addressing this problem.
I have some questions for you, but I'll defer that for now. What's your appreciation of what's happening to? I mean, you don't work at Cocoa Board. That's what I'm saying.
So I don't work at Cocoa Board, but
what do you know?
They've shared, as expected, they've shared some speaking notes with all government communicators.
Oh, no, you don't know that for a fact.
Oh, I know that for a fact.
Don't do that.
You know, Moro, me, Fifi Boafo, I've been in this media space for so many years, and you know that.
Aha, so I could see no. Asema fifi bu afoka no or probably onim I think onim kakra. Randy Abbey Oko cocoa board no. Okohwe na da bia no na cocoa farm na no nkwa nam. Tina me bisa me ho say is he advice well ya advice ni ye. Asa na okọ we no. Na eti ame ye di fifi bu abeka se no ka no because I allege. Now sometimes no, ocean the attitude and the posture to the farmers I say that there is a gap between no any farmers no. Mekasa and your tiase. There's a way you make the people feel say you are part of them. And no be to say Jerry John Rollins unim yase no boa obetiti got them to see sa position ni kwa na yeye no political no. Does it have to be political? Maybe so, asembisa. Because only maybe, yeah, but even the structure of that way now. First of all, no, who qualifies to be the CEO of whatever cocoa? Maybe dear, and you'll be rising through the ranks. On him all the nitty-gritties, on him all the problems, and now also be taking decisions for the cocoa farmer. Over the years, no. Political opponent, both NDC and MPP, all get to say, I'm a baby making machine, money making machine. And over here now, you get to see a what, and over here near this cano, and over here say because ya be political in our country. By a nya obia, what for through the mill, ebia no more or a cocoa farmer be back, and a sebe cocoa farming scholarship, and your politicians don't almost this canna. Yeah, then I go school and no man no rise here no base you. So I'm urging say that position should be advertised, not quite political. Because meaning what it is that position has to be political. In fact, so many positions in Ghana are political. No, I don't know the sense in it. Because any idea it makes me affecting the government in any way. Once you have somebody who works in the interest of Ghana and being paid at the end of the day in the interest of Ghana, it works. Number 2 is the salary. What is so special about the CEO say? Most of their salaries 1.5 million, where Ghana citizens are making you 1 million. Meanwhile, the basic average salary in Ghana is not up to 1,000 Ghana. And then what CEOs not even performance based, but you do yes CEO and now you are taking up an abnormal salary. What is this? Somebody should explain to me, because Randy is taking over 800,000 Ghana cedis. Teteno over 8 billion. Bisa said, what is he doing as a CEO? And what has even been his contribution? And I'm not saying it's limited to Randy alone. It's all the CEOs. The salaries and the other allowances that they take is, excuse my language, stupidity. We are in a country that we are struggling, yet we let some people live like they are kings. Who you see you are? What's so special about it? They should be paid normally. It be a maximum of 12,000, be 13,000. But how? Why do you pay somebody 800,000, 1 million Ghana cedis, 1.5? Why people are being paid 300 Ghana cedis? Doesn't make sense. Obituary me, I can't get it. Over the years, CEOs now, I said we should evaluate them. Say what has been their contribution to what the cocoa sector over the years, because many years sabe meeting your maybe as CEO be or better cocoa body be few are not in some war. Because I'm about to work in the interest of the party. I'm about the food soldiers. See, cocoa marketing board has become a food soldiers way. So other national companies, they have become the food soldiers way. Obi banu way you be not the obi ashem. That's what it does. We need to make sure say whatever we are doing is to the benefit of Ghana. If we are restructuring, the first thing is that the president should evolve or out of cocoa board, absorb himself from what cocoa board. Now cocoa board should be a public-private something, we can let somebody who knows, who has knowledge in the beans and everything, who thinks like the farmer. Because this thing, you know, yes, a tough will be a war to be around in your Kukunitino, your money for 2 pa. I suppose you have a so I've shared the 2 man now saying I can